Welcome to our guide on the best foods for your kidneys. Here are 8 fantastic superfoods that taste great and help heal your kidneys. They're easy to include in your meals and great for you. Want to know what they are? Let's get into it. Ever wondered how the right foods can turn the tide for your kidney health, making every meal a step towards vitality? We're diving deep into the flavors that do more than just tantalize your taste buds. They're your kidney's best allies. From the depths of the ocean to the heart of the earth, we're uncovering the most powerful kidney-boosting foods that nature has to offer. As we dive into our list of 8 superfoods, remember, we're not just feeding our bodies, we're nurturing our kidneys, those vital organs that keep our bodies in balance. Keep watching as we unveil the power of mushrooms, the versatility of broccoli, and the unexpected heroes like papaya and garlic that promise to elevate your kidney health and your culinary experience. Ready? Each food will be taken further. We'll explore the science, the flavors, and simple ways for you to enjoy daily. Whether you are here for prevention, management, or simply to be inspired, there is something in this journey for everyone. Mushrooms, the potassium protectors. I know! Mushrooms, this is not your average fungi. They supply so many nutrients, especially potassium. Potassium is useful to the body because it helps to maintain normal heart rhythm by supporting the delicate balance of fluids in your body. So, what makes mushrooms so special? Unlike high potassium foods, which can sometimes put a strain on our kidneys, mushrooms give just enough and not enough at the same time. Just imagine enriching the flavor of your mushrooms while you support your kidneys too. Brilliant broccoli, your fiber warrior. Now let's talk about broccoli. This green wonder is a fiber fiend, essential not only for digestive health, but for supporting kidney function by staving off constipation and aiding with toxin elimination through stool. But this is so much more than a fiber powerhouse. It's also packed with vitamin C and K, which ward off harmful radicals and support bone health. A tip for this cruciferous friend? Steam lightly. Doing so preserves the veggie's nutrients and vibrant color so it remains the perfect side to any dish or star in stir-fries. Mackerel, omega-3's champion. Mackerel, the slender, oily fish, swims its way onto our list with good reason. It's chock full of omega-3 fatty acids, lifesaver through their anti-inflammatory properties and in maintaining heart health. The latter critical for those with kidney concerns. Moreover, mackerel's omega-3s help balance out fluid levels in the body, a function in which our kidneys are directly involved. By making mackerel part of your eating routine, you're not only supporting your kidneys, you're embarking on a journey to better heart health. Spinach, the iron sidekick. Spinach, the leafy green superhero, is not just for building strong muscles. It's packed with iron, an ally in the production of red blood cells and in preventing anemia, a common concern for kidney health. Spinach is also rich in antioxidants, including vitamin A and vitamin E, which protect the kidneys from damage and support overall urinary tract health. To maximize its benefits, try incorporating spinach in smoothies or salads. Its mild taste blends seamlessly with various ingredients. Powerful papaya, the stone breaker. Papaya, a tropical marvel, earns its spot as a kidney stone breaker. The fruit contains papain, a digestive enzyme that helps break down proteins and may aid in preventing the formation of kidney stones. Its vibrant color isn't just for show. Papaya is loaded with vitamins C and E and beta-carotene, known for their antioxidative properties, providing an additional layer of protection for your kidneys. Embrace the sweetness of papaya as a dessert or a refreshing snack to keep those stones at bay. Eggcellent egg whites. Egg whites are the protein superstar your kidney diet needs. They offer high-quality protein with very low phosphorus levels, making them an ideal food for those managing their kidney health. High-protein diets can be taxing to the kidneys, but egg whites help eliminate this worry, supplying the necessary protein without the accompanying burden. You'll appreciate their versatility, too. Scramble, poach, or whip up egg whites for omelettes that are as kidney-friendly as they are delicious. Garlic. This pungent favorite does so much more for your kidneys than add flavor to your dishes. Aside from making existing flavors pop, garlic is also very effective at detoxifying your body. Its high content of allicin helps your body battle inflammation and oxidation caused by free radicals. Garlic is all the more important for kidney health because it helps minimize the need for salt, a common culprit in kidney strain and high blood pressure. Put a clove of chopped or pressed garlic to work in sauces, dressings, or roasts to star in a flavorful meal and provide a great service to your kidneys. Blueberry burst, the antioxidant ally. Not only are blueberries delicious, but they are considered one of the best foods for kidney health. These little berries pack a nutritional wallop, but are low enough in potassium to make them huge kidney-friendly options. They are bursting with antioxidants, in particular anthocyanins. These antioxidants have been shown to reduce inflammation, protect against cancer and heart disease, and improve brain function. Whether frozen or fresh, blueberries add a fruity pop to your breakfast and can be added to a number of meals from smoothies to salads. In our journey, we traveled from mushroom to blueberry, discovering how each food on our list adds special support to the kidneys and your general health. These 8 enforcers aren't meals, they are steps towards a healthier life. Our kidneys, so important to our general health, perform their life-sustaining work by cleaning out the waste products from our blood. They also make sure the hormones in our body, as well as our blood chemicals, are balanced. With such a big to-do list, it's important that we carefully consider how we take care of them. And there you have it. Friends, a culinary journey through Potassium Protector, Fiber Warrior, Omega-3 Champion, and beyond. Each of the ingredients we've explored is not just a treat for the taste buds, but a guardian of thoughtful kidneys, those unsung heroes quietly working behind the scenes to keep us healthy and balanced. As we close today's chapter, thank you so much for coming along with me on this flavorful adventure. The spirit of a true wellness warrior is to embrace your health with curiosity and eagerness for this very reason. But you don't have to stop your adventure here. My challenge for you, yes you, is to simply join in these kidney-kind ingredients and play with how each and every meal can be a stepping stone to a more vibrant, healthful you. Let's make our kitchens a place of exploration, our plates a canvas for creativity. And just when you think we've seen it all, a world of healthy eating proves time and time again that it's vast and full of surprises. So stick around because we've got quite a few more delicious secrets to share in our upcoming episodes, and you never know what you might find. Well, for fun. And for flavor. Because that's how every bite should be, right? If you loved our guides today, give that button a push and get to sharing this video with someone who could use a little inspiration in their kitchen. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn that bell on so you never miss out on our latest discoveries and health tips. Thank you truly for spending this time with me. Your support means the world, and it's what this flavorful journey we're on together is for. Until next time, stay the savorer of good stuff and take care of those remarkable kidneys. Cheers!